And then customer retention, is that quite a tough gig after first 3 boxes? Just because I'm thinking of the big, the HelloFresh and the Gusto, they're so good with their like initial discounts, 60% off your first, and then it's 30, and then it's 30, and then you might get 25% because you decide to leave, and they go, oh no, have one more discount, whatever it is.
Yeah.
And I'm really interested in like the loyalty that you have with customers. Like, are they loyal after their first 2 boxes, 3 boxes? Do you add little prezzies in to be like, on your 5th box to keep them going? How does retention work?
Yeah, I mean, retention is basically all we ever talk about.
Okay.
It's that is the crux of a subscription business. If you don't retain people, you're screwed. And you obviously referenced like some of the competitors of some of the wild discounts that they're offering, and to get people into that habit. And I mean, what's happened there is there's 2 of them who are just competing on price, and it's almost like they've back themselves into a corner because they both have to do that almost to like stay competitive with each other. So if one of them wasn't doing that, the other one definitely wouldn't be. So there's a sort of, it's a strange one with the discounts that are happening there. But when we can't really, to be frank, we can't really compete with those kind of like deep pocket discounts. But we have found that phasing discounts over a series of weeks is a good way to do it, because it's all about getting people into that habit of using the products and experiencing the products. Like if they try it once and they have, for whatever reason, just not as good an experience as we'd like them to have. For example, they haven't chosen the recipes that, quite work for them or something like that, and they're just not big fans, then at least you've got them on to try that 2nd, 3rd box because they think, oh, you know what, I've got a discount, let's give it a go again. So, but yeah, retention is a challenge. Our retention is good. We have, tons of people who use the products all the time. I think back to some of the early stage customers who are still like with us now, and they've ordered, I think top customers is 175, possibly 200 boxes now, which is basically a box every week for like.
Do you know them now?
4 years.
Have you emailed them as the founder and like? Hey.
Yeah. I've messaged several people who like loyal customers and things, and one that really, really stands out is an early stage customer who me and Songy delivered that first box to. Literally was the first box, and bags actually. There's a picture of us handing over the bags to them, and they're still customers today. They also invested in the crowd round.
Oh wow!
They phoned me up to ask about the investment because they'd never done that sort of thing before, and I basically was trying to put them off. I was like, I almost didn't want them to. It just felt too like sort of close to home kind of thing. But yeah, they've been amazing customers throughout, and lots of others like that